Hi everyone! This is part 3 of creating our super cute little mouse in Blender. In this part, we will make a simple beginner-friendly unwrap and start painting the model. This unwrap is enough to the stylized character. First, I mark a few seams, almost like cuts in a sewing pattern. Then, I select the model, press U, and choose unwrap. Later, while painting, I also unwrap a few small details separately. You can also do this right away by adding more seams at the beginning. Now we will create a texture and connect it to the material. I add an image texture to it, and this image will become the texture that we paint on.
Don't run, she just sways slow. Every move is a little show. I'm a mouse girl, soft but I run the world.
Then I switch to texture paint mode. And now we can start being creative. Here we can paint directly on the model, use different brushes and tools.
Made in Blender, I'm alive. Little step, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny body, giant soul. Don't need noise, don't need hype. Quiet charm, that's her type. I'm a mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think. From a cube.
Here, for the brush texture, you can choose any image with the alpha channel, meaning an image on a transparent background.
Shiny eyes, tiny queen, small but wise. She don't run, she just sways slow. Every move is a little show. I'm a mouse girl, soft but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink, yeah I'm cuter than you think. I'm a mouse girl, fluff in a 3D world. Small size, big vibe, made in Blender, I'm alive. Da, 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 oh. Little step, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny body, giant soul. Don't need noise, don't need hype. Quiet charm, that's her type. I'm a mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think.
For small parts like the nose, you can temporarily separate the detail from the main model. This makes it easier to fit it with color cleanly, without accidentally painting nearby areas. After that, you can join it back if you want to keep the model as one object.
I'm a mouse girl, soft but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink, yeah I'm cuter than you think.
Now unroll the hands and feet separately. And this is a useful thing to know. Even you have already created a UV unwrap, you can still select any part of the model and unwrap only the part again. Blender will update the UV layout for the selected faces, while the rest of the unwrap stays the same. If you temporarily separate some parts, you can easily join them back, as long as you did not change the topology or move the vertices too much.
Little mouse came to life. Soft gray fur and shiny eyes. Tiny queen, small but wise. She don't run, she just sways slow. Every move is a little show. I'm a mouse, mouse girl. Soft but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think. I'm a mouse, mouse girl. Fluff in a 3D world. Small size, big vibe. Made in Blender, I'm alive.
Now I will unwrap the whiskers and paint them the same way I painted the eyes and the body.
Little steps, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny body, giant soul. Don't need noise, don't need hype. Quiet charm, that's her type. I'm a mouse, mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big
Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. We will continue in the next part.